Hi friends, Craig Covey here, back with you again to share with you another tip and an idea to help you navigate through your claim from the Texas freeze. Last week I shared with you some tips and some forward-looking ideas about how to navigate through your claim as a whole, but today I want to share with you something to help you keep track of things as you work through your claim over the days and weeks ahead. So I always advise my clients to start a folder or an envelope, something that they can keep everything together, because you're going to have receipts, you're going to have documents, things like that that you want to keep in one place. In the folder or the envelope, you can also write notes on. What I thought might also be helpful to you is an Excel spreadsheet that I created to be able to help you navigate your claim. So in this first tab, and there's 3 tabs total, in this first tab, there's several people that you are working with. There's a field adjuster, a desk adjuster or claim adjuster, possibly their supervisor, the main phone number for the claim center if you need that. You can have that handy here. If you used a remediation company, contractor, mortgage company, these are people that you're going to be dealing with. There might be a couple others. Certainly feel free to add them. You can edit this spreadsheet as you like. And then down below it, I put in a section where you can add notes. This would be especially helpful because if you are a married couple and you're both dealing with this claim, then this can help you both with one central location to add notes so that you're helping the other one to keep track. Or if it's one of you that's working the claim and then your spouse gets home and they want an update, you can just share with them the Excel spreadsheet. So that's tab number 1. Tab number 2, I put together a place where you can start an inventory list if you haven't done so already, or if you've been writing it down on a pad or something. Here's a place where you can transfer it to that can be easily copied or shared with your claim adjuster when the time is available to be able to do that. So I use these line items from our fire claim that we had a few years ago, as these work to be very helpful for us. You can start doing research online at retail stores, wherever it is, to be able to replace your damaged contents. And then on the third tab, I did a projects tab to help you keep track of the different projects that are going along throughout your claim. And I added a Gantt chart to go along with it. But on the left here, some of the tasks, and again, you can edit this. I just put these down to give you an idea of what you might want to use to create the tasks, the different items that you might be doing, their start date, their end date, and then I did a calculation for how many days it is from that start date you'd put in to the end date. It'll automatically calculate it for you. So that's it. If this is something that you find would be useful for you dealing with your claim, I'd love to share this with you. I have put together a link in the description below for a Google form where you can send me your email address, and in the description field to share that you want this Excel spreadsheet, and I will send it right to you. If you've got other questions, please feel free to ask those in that description field. I'm happy to answer those back to you as well. And then once I send it to you, you'll have my email address and my phone number. So if there's any additional questions, anything else I can do to help you navigate your claim, please let me know. If you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, as I have more videos in the works to be able to help you along in navigating your claim. I think you'd be really pleased with the videos coming up as you start to get your reports and other items to go on where I can dive into more details about some of the tips I even provided last week to help you get through your claim as quickly and as easily as possible. So that's it for now. I look forward to the next video, and until then, remember, you got this.